everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. And just so I don't forget, this is my version of Chamel's Best of Both Worlds August kit. I added things. I do like kind of if I have the pieces already in my stash, I will add them. Sometimes I'll buy a few pieces and the rest of it I create from my own stash. So I do a lot of stash creating with this, using from my own stash because it's so big. So a lot of times her Best of Both Worlds kit is like a jumping off point for me to create my own. So that rainbow paper in the back is from Damask Love, the Wild Card collection. It's the So Fresh paper. I love, love, love that stripe. And then the green paper there is Doodlebug Petite Prints. It's the Grasshopper Gingham Linen print there. And then I have this ice cream border strip there. And that, well, I did not say where that came from. It came from Pebbles Happy Hooray. And I don't remember what the paper is because unfortunately I attached it and didn't look at the collection. All right, and then I have that cut apart journaling block there. It's from Paige Evans, the Horizon collection, one of her papers, and I don't know which one it is, but that's where it's from. It was a bunch of like vacation themed, some of them were vacation themed, but that pink happened to be really like perfect for it. All right, so now I just grabbed a different trimmer here so I can, my normal trimmer you can't do this with. I have a Caterpillar Pro, so the blade doesn't lift up. So I needed to grab this ice cream cut apart. I absolutely loved it. This is Damask Love Wild Card. It's a So Fun paper. So I just popped that out. And then my idea here is that I just want to cut this ice cream cone out, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to use it on this project in some way, but I don't understand how. Sorry, guys. Words are hard. It's a Saturday morning as I'm doing this voiceover, and sometimes words are hard. Oh my gosh, that striped paper, the striped ice cream cone makes me very, very happy. All right. So there we go. Now I'm going back in and I'm looking at this Damask Love sticker sheet to see if there's anything else that perhaps I could use. And I'm toying with mounting that ice cream cone like somewhere near that Polaroid frame cut apart, but I'm not quite sure how that's going to work. Kind of just playing with that now, like maybe putting it in the bottom here. I'm not loving though how it looks like it's kind of growing out of the bottom, so I'm playing around a little bit with what can I do for a title, and I'm thinking maybe that might help. I'm thinking maybe the title right, I just put my finger there, the title may be right there, and if I do that, then that work. Well, then I came upon this Yay from that Damask Love wildcard sticker sheet, and I can use that as part of the title because this is one of my favorite ice creams kind of in our area, place to go for ice cream, and it's a ways. It's a pretty good drive from my house. It's not something that I would do on a normal day, but my boyfriend and I are in the we were driving back from somewhere and stopped. I happened to mention it, so that's why we were there. But oh my gosh, it's so good, and they make it, it's on a farm, like there's cows and everything around, which is cool because I'm from Wisconsin where it's a big, dairy state. That's one of the things we're known for. Anyway, so then as I decided to put the title up on the top left, then I knew I needed something to balance on the bottom right. So this is where I make that decision to move that cluster to the bottom right. Otherwise, it would be really unbalanced because it would be very heavy, embellishment heavy to the left. And they're big sort of embellishments clusters. That title's really big. The ice cream cone and that frame are really big. So I knew to move it then. And that just made it really cool. And yay, because I'm really excited about having my favorite ice cream. All right, so then I'm going to pop up that ice cream cone on this layout just to give it, you know, a little bit more presence. It's important. That's what this is about. I also happen to be partial, by the way, to this this ice cream place because of the word name of it, although it's not spelled the same way I spell my name. But, you know, hey, what the heck. So then I have these stickers, or not, the puffy stickers from the Pink Fresh A Case of the Blahs. And there's an arrow here that says my bad. So I put it under the yay. So the title is Yay, My Bad, you know, because I'm having ice cream, but that's really not bad. And then I added the little ice cream sticker there. And I think I came across these just going through some things and decided, oh, you know, I think I will like add this into the mix of this particular layout with that ice cream. I really wanted to use it. It's not exactly the same yellow, but it's close enough. And there's orange, so I think that's fun. All right, so now I am adding in these purple glitter circles from Queen & Company. They're called Halos. I think I mentioned this in a previous layout that I'm really trying to use up some of these things that I have not been using. These are quite a, you know, probably 3 or more years old, and I really want to get them used up. I was at an event. So I'm going to add actually 3 of these in each cluster. Before I forgot, next on the last, in the still shot, next to the little ice cream with the spoon in it, I added a cheers sticker, and that's from Damask Glove. I forgot I wanted to add that because I want to bring it across the layout a little bit more, and I added a little bit of green in, which was nice. Then I added that ice cream cone button from Buttons Galore. It's the Fun in the Sun collection, so glad that I could get that on there because I believe that was the last one. It is, because I can see the blank card up there. Then I'm adding in these little enamel hearts from the Doodlebug Shape Sprinkles. It's the Chasing Rainbow collection here. And just, you know, adding them into the mix to get a little bit more color. It's a fun, colorful layout, and I love that ice cream so much, and I love that paper so much, so it's very cool that I was able to really make these two things work together. And the little dish that they give you the ice cream in is so colorful. I believe actually that's my ice cream cone, and my boyfriend's actual was the one with the dish, and he's really good about letting me take pictures. So there's the still shot, you guys, and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.